All right, Rob Frazier here. This video I wanted to talk about basically, first off, I want to give a shout out to Edward Keyte. He's the creator of this funnel. He's always in the lab making his marketing materials better. And also, he's my sponsor in Leads Leap and a couple of other programs here and there. Basically, I just wanted to give another shout out to him. Look him up on YouTube. In fact, if you opt into this capture page, go to see this page right here. You can actually click on this link and go to his YouTube. So you can just go subscribe to his YouTube as well. And I have no problem sending people over there because he's a great marketer. I do believe in the abundance mentality. Some people don't like the way I teach. Some people may like the way he teaches. Vice versa. He's a great guy to follow. And he gets lots and lots of signups. So, that being said, getting into it for the folks who like me, who like rocking with me. Besides, if you join me in Leads Leap, you're joining Edward Keyte directly because he's my sponsor in Leads Leap, and a few of these other travel programs that you'll be exposed to throughout this funnel. So, we're all on the same team. I will say I am not promoting his primary business. I've swapped it out with my own primary business, just simply because that's just where And also, I just noticed there's a typo here, so by the time I record this video, that should be fixed. Hey, Ed, make sure you proofread your funnel, bro. Anyways, this is just straight from the share code. I didn't edit this page. So basically, he created this share code, this funnel. It's through Leads Leap, and it just ticks all the boxes. It has a place for you to put your business link, whatever business that you're promoting. I believe if you join him or me in Leads Leap, you can just come back and use this same share code. Obviously, he has it generic, so he's not saying what his primary business is, so you can have this go to whatever business link you want. And if you're on my list, you know what my primary business link is. And way back when I first started making money online, I have a little short video. I said, you need 3 things to make money online: a business, a marketing system, and traffic source. Those 3 main things have not changed. I would add a couple extra things on there, but business, right here. Marketing system, right here. Traffic, right here. That's it. Business, marketing system, traffic. And this is just an amazing funnel. Also, when you have this page set up and duplicated for you, all of these links will be going to whatever it is you're promoting. And again, you can use this for any and everything. The whole system is powerful. I don't want to click in too much of this stuff, but I'm just going to click here on marketing tools just so I work this on. He has a page right here. How to get copy, how to set it up, how to get the share codes. He has splash pages, capture pages, sales pages, all instructions on how to set up the funnel, and everything is all laid out. And in fact, with Leads Leap, instead of doing a share code for every single individual page, they finally got kind of up to Power Lead System level to where all you have to do is enter in one share code, enter in your usernames, and boom, the whole funnel is automatically linked to you with your links. So absolutely powerful. One thing I will say, did edit on the traffic step. I have put my perpetual traffic plan, basically. Ed had only made his traffic step with a lot of his traffic exchanges that he uses. I myself believe in a balanced traffic approach. I use traffic exchanges, but they're not my bread and butter. I use traffic exchanges, safe lists, solo ads, content marketing, this video right here, and social media. And so I basically put my whole perpetual traffic plan on that traffic step. So when you enter in a share code, you may see a few little different things, but regardless, if you have any questions about it, make sure you get in my Facebook group. Down here, you'll be able to click on the Get Help, and it'll go to my page with all of my links, my YouTube, my social media, Facebook, all of my places you can find me online. You ask me questions, and also I'll be putting out a lot more training, going over each of the individual uh, things that I share on that traffic page. So, for example, when I say safe list marketing, that could be a whole course and funnel and week-long training in and of itself. So I understand that. So I'm organizing all of my content into modules. So basically, you could just go behind me and follow. So that being said, I'm not trying to make this video too long, but this funnel, it's a banger. Thanks, Ed, for all your hard work. Make sure you go through it and keep an eye out for typos, because there's one right there. But anyway, he's always hard at work. His stuff is amazing. I come back and I'm just duplicating. Only thing I'm doing is just taking what he's doing, just adding a few little tweaks, add my own personality to it, and sending it down the line. So that being said, name's Rob Fraser. Link in the description will have and I'll scroll here on one of these pages. Like I say, so you get all sorts of stuff. You get email swipes, you get banners, you get solo ads, templates. You get it all. Everything is a hero, and I don't want to say it pretty much is big giant super funnel. So name's Fraser. Link in the description. We'll see you in the next one.